everyone! I am Janvi Pawar and welcome back to another vlog. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen the title of this video. Today is gonna be my last day as an assistant professor because I'm moving forward to better things. Well, not better things, but great things, yes. This was a journey. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. You know, I got to teach so many students. Really happy with that. Today's gonna be my last day. I'm actually a little bit sad because I'm gonna miss my team. They're just so incredible, and this is the second vlog that I'm gonna take seriously because I'm not a big fan of recording vlogs, but I'm gonna record this one because this day is pretty special and I'm gonna take you guys along. Currently it's 9:15. I have 30 minutes to get ready and I'll see you guys then. I am ready. Alright, so currently it's 9:35, so I have like 10 minutes till I leave. I usually don't go on Saturdays, but today I have to do some paperwork and stuff, so that's why I'm going. Let's go see what my father is doing. Say hi. Alright, so right now it's 9:46 and I'm planning to reach till like 10:10. I have to buy some things for some people and then I will go to college. Lego. I'm actually very embarrassed to record like this because I'm used to recording in a room and for YouTube especially, or in front of a group of people. Not recording, just speaking. But not very used to recording. Anyway, it's 10:07 right now. Hold on. See? 10:07. And we're gonna go in. I just bought something for some people because in the college there are a lot of people who have always given me blessings, and I think the greatest gift anybody can give you is true blessing, you know? Is a true blessing. So let's go meet those people and then we're gonna go in. हाँ है मेरा अंकल जी 3 साल का. हाँ जी, रेगुलर. Let's go in. Hold on. Thank you. Ta-da! My department is just upstairs, so I don't have to go a lot inside the college. I just go upstairs and I'm good to go. आंटी जी नमस्ते. हाय. हाँ पीऊंगी. Alright, so this is my department. I usually enter and just wish people a good morning and then we go in. And this is our lounge. This is where I sit. Hello mom! Tell people, are you gonna miss me?
No.
You're gonna miss me. You're even gonna cry. You're gonna cry. We're gonna give you a department tour.
She'll give you the tour.
Yeah, she doesn't do anything, so so she's gonna record. Hi.
What are you up to?
Vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Hi vlog.
We are going to give you the complete tour of our department. So let's start from here. And she is Miss Janvi Pawar. So let's start. Okay, yeah. पता नहीं क्या चाहती है.
This is our department. From here we enter.
Okay, yes, yes.
So from here we enter. Hi vlog. This is Harry Bia, who brings us really good
Nice tea.
nice tea.
And this is our washroom, which we use.
You're not supposed to show a washroom.
And this
It's
is,
not our room,
yes.
so we're not gonna show this. Over here. So we used to
sit here.
Sit here before. Over here. So we used to be like 3 to 4 people just doing stupid things. Everyone in this very small cabin. Let's move forward. Now, before she came and ruined my life, I used to sit here alone, you know, I was pretty happy. And then she entered, my places were hijacked. Let's move forward. Okay, so Hanidia sits here. He's not present today. Ankit sir sits here. He also keeps a pinch of salt with him. I don't know where it is today. But, so yes, this is where those guys sit. They're not present. You're not supposed to show the whole office.
So this is how we walk. And she
I
has
walk
got only
way
one.
better than you. All right, let us show you the most important office. Our director. He's not present right now. He'll be a bit late. This is his office. He very openly, everything, every compliment for our director. Amazing 5'11" person.
Water cooler.
Yeah, you can see my car over there, you know. I always take care of.
चोरी की कार.
हाँ, लोग इससे बहुत उठाया है. मैंने इन्हें बहुत बारी आइडिया दिया कि यहाँ खड़ी होकर कूद जाओ.
मैंने ट्राई भी किया बट मैं बच गई.
We sit here and then we talk. Now let's move inside. See?
Our notice board.
She did this day before yesterday. See? I look so fine here. You can just forget about here.
I look so pretty.
And here are some students. There's Suman ma'am.
Suman ma'am.
There's Muninder sir, our training
Muninder sir.
manager.
She is the most pretty.
Here's Love sir.
Love sir.
You just met him?
Okay, yeah. Fine.
Yeah, fine. This is an empty room. We once danced here. I don't know why that is on.
हाँ, सही बात है.
Save electricity. People, my mom is still busy on call. Suman ma'am. Suman. Love sir is always busy on his phone.
Janvi, just do me a favor. Open that drawer.
This one?
Yes.
वो वाली भी दिखाएंगे फिर.
Yes.
देख रही
Now
हो
what is this?
ये लग तो मेरा ही रहा है. ये क्यों मैं यहाँ पे काटूँ?
हाँ.
फोटो फ्रेम लाई हो?
Yes. कैसा है?
अपनी फोटो अच्छी लगा ली.
ए कितनी तो प्यारी है.
Muninder sir sits there. This is his water bottle, but now it's practically ours. He's absent today, but it's very fun, extremely fun. We're going again. Well, not again. So, you know how I said is that I'm gonna go to some people, I'm gonna give them some gifts and everything. So that's where we're going. Let's go. Chalo, let's go, bolo.
Let's go. तुम जो आए जिंदगी
मेरे रहनुमा.
फिल्मी की मिठाई देते टाइम की वीडियो रिकॉर्ड होनी है.
कर देंगे यार.
नहीं
प्लीज यार, व्लॉग तो इसी को कहते हैं.
करवाना है.
Been very supportive towards me. I just came here to get a sign. He's very good. Sir, would you like to say something about me for my future?
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. And, you are the youngest, becoming the youngest. Okay.
Yes.
So we wish for your success.
Thank you very much, sir.
very happy journey,
Thank you, mom.
successful journey.
अभी
कौन सी ट्रेन में जा रही है?
ये जल्दी.
एक पहले आपकी जाओ. स्पून दे दूं? स्पून से नहीं, खाने के लिए खिलाने के लिए.
Would you like to say something for me?
Of course, yeah. There are so many things to say. Like you have been very chulbuli, I must say. So yes, there has been a feeling like yes, somebody is there to associate with me as a learner also, as an experienced also. But again, with those, I would say, not so mature feelings, but again, the kind of feelings which gave me a retrospective emotion that yes, there is a child in me also, and again looking up to every day at the door, someone is going to come and say hi ma'am, and while going, so he's saying bye ma'am. So that was the beautiful beginning and the ending. So God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep shining and keep growing.
Thank you, ma'am. You've always been very, very supportive, and I got to learn many things from you. My whole family likes you, for that matter. So thank you so much. Loves it.
Yes, madam.
Please say something for me, like give me blessings and stuff.
For your blog or reality?
Reality.
So I'll say something that covers both. It was actually we spent a wonderful time together, and I've known you as you had taken my interview as well. We had taken a demonstration class, and I got to know you really well as the time passed. And we definitely miss you, yes, as Bram very rightly said, that all the squeaking and preaching will be missed in the staff room, the trainers' lounge especially. And the rest, just wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, sir.
Take care.
Thank you. This is Siddharth. Haan, bas. Right now I'm in my chairman sir's office. You already know Siddharth here. Here we have Shakti ma'am. There we have Ravi sir. Sir, hi, good afternoon. And here we have our chairman sir, Mr. Rakesh Tile. He's not only my boss, but at the same time also my uncle. Uncle, would you like to say anything for me, for my future, or anything else that you would like to convey to the audience?
So one thing I would say, like, all the best.
Thank
first
you.
of all. And you have brought enough glory to your family, to this place. And I wish that a new feather is going to be added very soon. And this journey, like your journey for excellence and doing things before time, continues forever.
No, thank you very much. I'd also like to thank you for the opportunity that I got here to teach as an assistant professor. And I think you've always been very supportive, externally and internally as well. I know about a lot of things, so thank you so much for that. And yes, Shakti ma'am, thank you very much. Ravi sir, I've had interactions with you, so thank you so much for that. And uncle, again, I'd like to thank you. You're my uncle now, back again. So I'm very happy for that too.
Okay, see you.
See you. And here we have Shubham Tile sir. He's a member of our management, always very cheerful. Would you like to say anything for me or for my audience, anything that you'd like to convey?
First of all, I would like to congratulate you
Thank you.
for being selected in one of the top institutions in our country, which is IIT Delhi, for your PhD program.
Thank you.
Always knew that you are very talented and you're gonna shine like anything in days to come.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure having you in our campus and event.
Thank you very much,
Wish you
sir.
all the very best.
Thank you. And here I end my last day as an assistant professor at this place. This place has been a roller coaster ride for me. I've had a lot of learnings and opportunities to grow, to interact with people, professors, senior professors, lecturers, and of course, you just met Chairman Sir. And he has known me since I was 7. He has always been very supportive, very sweet towards me. Definitely gonna miss this place for its people, for the learnings, for the students. But you know, we move forward in life, we evolve in life, and we always miss the people that we left behind. But we're also very grateful for the opportunities. So these memories are gonna stay with me forever in my life. This was such a golden period of my life, and hopefully I'll see these people again. I will definitely see these people again. I don't know as an assistant professor or as just an individual, but I will. Incredible place, incredible people, incredible journey, and I hope you guys stay safe.